Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Code Like It. In this video I will show you how you can create this type of blocks. So first open the pubspec YML. So I have added this package Flutter Podium. So click on the pub-get. It will take some time and the package are added. So now go to the home page. Here the app bar, the text is a leaderboard, and in style I have just set the color for them, and center title true, and its background is purple color. So now body, center, child. Now enter the name of the package. So I have now entered a Podium. So now there are three required text: first position, second position, and third position. So now enter the text for the first position text, and I am entered the name for this Eric, and for second position is text and bracket comma Ayola, and for third position is text bracket comma and James. So now click on the run, wait for them, and now these blocks are created. So now we will modify it more. This is the property we can add. Color, first I'm set the color for them purple color. Click on the Ctrl S, and now you can see the color are changed. Now I'm selecting the show ranking number, width. I am set the width is 100 and height is 300. Now we can set show ranking number instead of text, so this will be true. And now you can see 1 2 3 are set it on them. And now this is all of the property. You can set it from here. Horizontal spacing 10, and now you will see the gap between them. Yeah, so you can see the gap between them. Ranking text color, ranking font size, font size 30. The font size is decreased now. I want to set it to increase more, so I am set it to 50. So now the text color is increased. First ranking position, and this all of the property you can set it from here according to your requirements. So thank you so much.